Sunway Forest Products officially purchased the Skeena Cellulose Pulp Mill in 2006 for $3.3 million and a promise to restart the mill in exchange for a tax exemption. Well, it never lived up to that promise, and as a result, the mill has been sitting idle in its hands for over 5 years. Having fallen through on that promise, the China-based company now owes the city of Prince Rupert over $5.6 million in taxes, and failing to pay those outstanding taxes by the deadline of September 28th means ownership of the mill would be defaulted back to the city. Things have somewhat changed since this past spring. For one, Sunwave has made contact with city officials. Prince Rupert Mayor Jack Musalem says the city and Sunwave are both encouraging the sale of Watson Island, so unpaid taxes, including interest and the penalty on those taxes, can be paid off by the deadline. Another new development is the possibility of the building being converted into a shellfish aquaculture facility. In conclusion, unless Sunway Forest Products pays off all of its outstanding taxes to the city 2 weeks from today, Prince Rupert will become the new owner of Watson Island the following day on September 29th. Musalem says he is looking forward to the facility being back in operation and creating new jobs. For CFTK TV News in Prince Rupert, I'm Sahar Nassim Doost.